Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Let's skip this and go back. Okay, so once you open the menu, you should see a bunch of icons. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the option called Other. Select it, and here tap on System Settings. Now tap on Date and Time, and if you want to change the date and time settings, first you will need to turn off the automatic date and time. So tap on the switch, and after you turn on, or rather turn off the automatic date and time, you can scroll down and we have set date, set time. First let's tap on set date. And here we can change the date by using the touchscreen or the crown. So set the day, then tap on the month. Oh no, first we have a month, my bad. Then we have a day, then we have a year, and once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Then we have the time, so tap on set time, adjust the hour, then tap on minutes, adjust minutes, and tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also change the time zone if you like to. So first you will need to disable the automatic time zone. Tap on set time zone, find the time zone you want to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then you can go back. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.